Isaac Newton saw the universe as a vast, intricate clockwork where every gear had a purpose and every shadow had a measurable length. To him, order was divinity. Each falling apple confirmed the hand of God in the laws of nature. But William Blake's had a different vision. His world was painted with contradiction, beauty, and terror intertwined. His tiger wasn't meant to be caged by logic or science. It burned untamable. It burned with untamable fire, a creature of both awe and dread. Tonight, we're standing between Newton's apple and Blake's tiger, between what we know and what we fear to understand. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame the fearful symmetry? When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamp make thee? Blake's tiger burns bright, not because it is meant to be understood, but because it is meant to be felt. It exists in an untamed wilderness of the mind where logic is a visitor, not a king. Newton gave us precision. He showed us the apple does not just fall, it falls for a reason. Gravity isn't just a force, it is an invitation to discover order in chaos. But what Newton left unanswered was why that order exists and what it means for the soul. Blake confronts that question head on when he asks, did he who made the lamp make thee? He's not doubting God's existence, he's doubting our ability to understand God's intentions. The lamp is innocence, gentleness, the knowing, but the tiger is a riddle, the embodiment of creation's wilderness and destruction in one terrifying form. Consider Blake's line, when the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears. This is celestial imagery at its finest, but it is the kind of cosmos Newton mapped with his telescope. Blake's stars are rebellious, sorrowful, chaotic, shedding tears over a universe that doesn't always behave as it should. Even Newton, for all his brilliance, admitted there was a mystery science could never touch. He believed in divine order, but he also believed in humility. Uh, Before creation's complexity, the apple falls because of gravity, yes, but it falls also carries a symbolic weight that science alone cannot explain. Why do we see it as knowledge gained or perhaps innocent loss? This is where Blake and Newton meet, in the space between fact and meaning. Newton's genius was in answering the question how the world works. Blake reminds us to ask a deeper question: what does it mean? The tiger is terrifying because it forces us to confront what lies beyond our ability to measure. Behind every law of motion is a whisper. What lies beyond what we can see, calculated, or predicted? Newton showed us how the world works, but Blake reminds us why it matters. The apple falls because of gravity, but the meaning behind it is full that's something science can never fully grasp. Blake's tiger isn't a creature, it is a challenge to our understanding. It dares us to see creation as not as a problem to be solved, but as a mystery to be embraced. And maybe, just maybe, the most powerful truths aren't the ones we uncover with telescopes or equations. They're the ones that burn bright in the forest of the night, waiting for us to stand in awe.